The Internet of Things offers you the ability to track and monitor what's happening all along your supply chain and at every step of your manufacturing process. It's efficient and reassuring, right? Maybe not. Let's say you use RFID tags to track supplies or finished product. What if someone hacks your RFID system and then passes that information to competitors? Think about it. Your competitors could then learn who's making your parts. They could steal proprietary information. They could break into your sales, pricing, or inventory management systems. Don't let this happen to you. Being connected is your competitive edge. It helps you deliver as promised. Yet it makes you vulnerable in ways you never were before. Get ahead of these risks with Travelers. We have the expertise in risk management, supply chain disruption, and cybersecurity that can help protect your people, your equipment, and your business from the risks of connected manufacturing. Contact your Travelers representative today.